Well, hey there guys, I hope you guys are having an awesome day today. Today's video is going to be an impromptu one. I didn't expect to be receiving Boxycharm today, but I did. So I'm going to be doing my try-on unboxing of my April 2018 Boxycharm. So if you guys actually like Boxycharm unboxings, then you probably want to hit the subscribe button on this channel because you're probably going to like this channel a lot. And also if you hit the notification bell, you guys can be early birds on the Glam Ranch and see all the videos right when I'm posting them. So if you guys are new here, my name is Christina Brooke, and without making you guys wait any longer, let's get right into the box. So this month I did not look in this box. I know, every single month I always look in the box because I need to know what to put on my face and what not to. This month I decided not to because I know that ColourPop is going to have a palette in here. So I didn't want to see what palette I got so that I can show you guys my reaction. I'm actually hoping that I do not get the My Little Pony ColourPop collaboration because I own that palette already. It's not my favorite palette, but I already own it anyways. So go ahead and get this box opened. Let me get a scissor. Let me pop this thing open and let's see what I got. All right, there we go. We got it open. Dun, 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 the moment of truth. What did I get? Oh, I already saw the palette I got and I'm super excited. I got the palette that I wanted. I'm not going to show you guys everything so you guys can see it with me. In the box we have this new little pamphlet. I'm wondering if Boxycharm is going to start giving us these new pamphlets. Usually we get like a postcard and on the postcard it says everything, but this looks like a trifold. So it says Boxycharm on it. And so this month's theme is eye candy and it says eye candy right there. And let's see. Okay, so it tells you every single thing that you got and it has some coupons on the back. So let's use my little trifold and let's get into the box and see what I got. So the first thing I'm going to show you guys is something that I can tell that I'm probably not going to be able to try on. Yes, it is a face mask. So this is not going to be able to be put on my face today, but it is from DR.BRANDT. So let me go ahead and read you what it is. This is the DR.BRANDT Pores No More Vacuum Cleaner. This award-winning pore refining mask is an extraction specialist, unclogging and tightening the look of pores and reducing excess oil from the skin surface. Retails for $47. So guys, this is a DR.BRANDT's product. I love DR.BRANDT. It's probably one of my favorite skincare lines besides Murad, which I am like obsessed with Murad, but I love DR.BRANDT as well. Boxycharm does skincare. I love that they don't include just like random skincare lines. They use skincare lines that you have heard of, which to me is really important because I don't like to put like anything on my face. I'm like very, very particular. Oh my God, are my lips like, my lips are like my foundation color. Sorry guys, because remember I have like half makeup on. I love that they include skincare products that I would actually use because it's not like never before heard brands, and I'm so picky with skincare. DR.BRANDT is a great brand. I'm super excited to try this out, and what I'll probably do is I'm going to do a skincare type of video that I'll include a lot of these different products that I've received in my Boxycharm so that you guys can see what I'm thinking about them. But yeah, this looks like it's going to be a good one. Okay, so let's move on. Okay, so I see a lipstick. You know that there's an eyeshadow palette and I need to match the eyeshadow to my lipstick, and I'm not going to do the mistake of doing my eyes first and then finding out I have like a purple lipstick and all of a sudden I put blue all over my eyes, you know what I mean? So let's try this a different way. I'm going to go ahead and open this. So this is a lipstick from MAC. Okay, DR.BRANDT and MAC, guys. Remember we paid $21 a month for this box? Like, so this is from MAC Cosmetics. It's the LIPTENSITY lipstick, a brilliant formula that pushes the boundaries of color. Each lipstick holds intense amounts of pigment, resulting in extreme color intensity, clarity, and vibrancy, providing fully saturated color with satin finish in one stroke. And it retails for $21. I'm super excited to have this lipstick. I love MAC. Do I have a MAC lipstick? I think I used to have MAC lipsticks like a long time ago, but I haven't bought some again in a long time. So I'm excited. Let's see what color I got. Okay, I got a dark color. Boxycharm, they always give such dark colors. I mean, that's okay because sometimes I don't buy such dark colors anyway, so it's actually probably a good thing because they do give me things that I probably wouldn't buy. All right, you guys are zoomed in. Let's look at this lipstick. Let's see. Oh, this is dark. Thank God I tried this lipstick on first. I don't want to line my lips, so I'm just going to kind of use the edge as a liner. So I kind of just line my lips on purpose with the lipstick. I don't want to like change the color up too much, so yeah, that's pigmented. Guys, it's a very nice dark color. It's a very dark color, so it's very like woof in your face. I would wear this color just with a very simple look, but let's see what I can come up with what we got in the eyeshadow palette. Why does this lipstick smell so good? What do you guys think? Is it pretty? Since I got the MAC lipstick, I did not get the Tarte highlighter, and I'm so happy that I didn't get the Tarte highlighter because it was a liquid highlighter and I put on powder and everything, and I completely forgot that that was one of the options. So thank you for not giving me the highlighter. So the next thing that I got are these so cute brushes. Oh my goodness, these are adorable. I love these brushes. They're so pretty. Who are they from? This is the SL Miss Glam Brush Duo. This duo eye brush set is made with pink and lilac love. Be transported to a magically glam world by creating a flawless eye look. It retails for $38.50. Remind me of a princess. Oh my gosh. They're really cute. I love these brushes. So excited. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is the palette that I got, guys. I am so happy that I got this palette because I'm going to be completely honest. When I saw this was going to be released from ColourPop, I wasn't like thrilled with the palette, at least in the photos. It's one of those palettes that started to grow on me and I actually wanted it and I got it. I'm really excited about this. Let's look at it together, guys. 1, 2, 3. This is the Element of Surprise eyeshadow palette from ColourPop. Get a load of this bold beauty. Perfect mix of edgy dramatic with girly twist and bold pops of color. This baby has you covered for the season. Our first palette with all 4 finishes, matte, metallic satin, and duochrome, make it so easy to shake up the scene. Retails for $16. I'm excited for this. I am very excited for this. We got that hot pink again like we did last month, and we got some cool colors. I am obsessing over this color right here. And I don't know, this just looks really pretty. So let's zoom in, let's do an eye look, and let's test out these shadows. So I'll be honest with you guys, if this eyeshadow palette sucks, I will be shocked. Let's try out these brushes because why not? I don't know how they feel, but let's see. You never know. Wait, I stopped saying the names of the ColourPop eyeshadows because everything is backwards on the ColourPop labeling, and I'm so tired of not knowing if I'm saying the right color or not, so I just point. This one, all over the lid. Doesn't really have too much color to it for me. That's just because it's the tone similar to my lid color. This brush, I'm not sure. What I'm gonna do is with this brush here, P15, grab this shimmery color right here just because it's been calling my name. I hope it's good. Okay, it's a lot sheerer than I thought it would be. But that's not bad. It's a cool color. That's a pretty interesting color. I don't know if I should have picked it with these lips, but whatever. So I'm gonna grab this color right here. I'm just gonna build out like something at the edge. This brush is okay, but you know, sometimes when you use new brushes, you've gotta learn like how exactly you like to use it. And this one's giving me a little bit of a hard time, but it just could be that I'm not used to it. Okay, so I'm gonna get the big brush, this one here, jump back into this color right here, and I'm gonna smooth all of this out. I'm gonna grab this color right here, which is like a darker brown. I'm gonna use that one. I wanted to do something a little bit more Element of Surprisey, something different, so we are aiming for a different look today. One of my own brushes, because I don't have a tight line brush, I'm just going to grab this color right here, bring that under my eye, and I'm going to just smear it out with whatever is left on this brush. Let me just put on some eyeliner and put my mascara on, and this look, oh, come together. Oh my gosh, guys, so I am completely done with my eyes and I am in love with this palette. I think it's fantastic. ColourPop palettes do give you a nice amount of eyeshadows. You get 12 shades inside of this palette, and of course it does not have a mirror. That is kind of typical. A lot of the ColourPop eyeshadows do not have mirrors. I'm okay with that. I really, really love this, and I'm so happy that this is inside of my Boxycharm, like ecstatic. I love this color right here that I used. It's a lot more muted down than I thought it was going to be, but in a way I kind of like it because it looks so pretty in the inner half of my eye. All the colors here that I kind of used, I feel like they come off a little bit lighter than they do inside the pans, but I do love the way that the colors translated on my eyes. And for people who have dark hair like me, these colors will look really good on you. I really love them a lot, and I can see like a lot of like neutral kind of looks that I can do here. I can use this color and maybe this one right here, kind of nude type of really pretty brownish look, and then I could also do some really crazy fun looks with this. So I am really in love with this palette. I wanted to do something a little bit different because I wanted to use specific colors in there that I had been eyeing. That is a fantastic palette. The colors that I used I really love a lot. Obviously need to use a lot more of them to really determine, but I've used a lot of ColourPop eyeshadows, and if a few of them work the ways that I know the other ones work, I kind of can already tell that I'm gonna like them. For the brushes, I am not a huge fan of this one. It does not work bad. It's good. Sigma E40 I feel works better than this one. I do not think that this is a bad brush. I think it's a decent brush, and yeah, I will get use out of it. It's not something that is bad. This one I actually enjoyed. I had a little bit of a harder time on the edges with it in the beginning. I like these brushes. I need to play with them more, and I have to use them more to like really say, hey, are they gonna be added into my drawer of my every single day, like I go to type of brushes? I don't know that yet, but I will say they're definitely not throwaway brushes to me. I actually do like these. So I'm gonna jump now into the last product in the box, and let's see what it is. It's a brow tint. So this is from the BROWGAL, and this is the Tinted Eyebrow Gel with microfibers to achieve a natural hair look, perfect for the customer who wants a quick but natural fill to their brows, and it's $22. The only thing that I see here, it says light hair. I don't know if I'd categorize me as light hair. Would you? I don't know if this product's gonna work for me. I'm gonna go ahead and try it out. If it doesn't work for me, I will pass it on to my mom because she has blonde hair. So if this doesn't work for me, she'll definitely be able to use it, but I will try it out for you guys. If you do have light hair, or if you have dark hair, you can see if this will actually work for you. Hopefully this doesn't ruin everything because it's like the wrong color on my brows, but. Well, I can't really see a difference. Now the good thing is that I can't really tell that it's lightening my eyebrows. I think it's okay. I definitely think that this is the wrong color for me, and I could see it more on the monitor than I can in the mirror, that my eyebrows are light. I do like the way it looks. So like I can tell that this is going to be a very natural tinted eyebrow gel. And I think that somebody with light hair probably will love this. So that is it. We come to the end. That is all the products that I got in my box this month. I will go ahead and throw right here the weight of my box was and all that stuff, because I know you guys always want to know what the weight of my box was. I love this box this month. I think this box this month like kicked it out of the park. Like it was amazing. I love almost every single thing that I got inside of this box. Did you guys get in your box? Did you guys like what you got in your box? Did you get similar things to me? Because this was a good box for me. Yay, I am excited because I wasn't a huge fan of last month's box. This month, Boxycharm has completely redeemed themselves. I have had such good luck with Boxycharm. I honestly can tell you guys I've had such good luck with Boxycharm. I love a lot of the products that I get. I love that we get high-end things. So I definitely think that this is a winner subscription box. If you guys are interested in subscribing to Boxycharm, I do have a link in the description box. So if you guys want to sign up, you guys can go ahead and just use that link. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give me your thumbs up, and also don't forget when my face appears somewhere around down here, if you click on my face, you will subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye!